In this video, I'm going to show you how to scale deployments in Lens and watch it happen in real time. So to do that, we will head out to workloads, select deployments, and then select one of our deployments, and then click here on the hamburger menu. And we have the option to scale. And you can select whatever number you want. Let's do something really dramatic like 30, and click on scale. And now if you go to pods, we're going to see a lot of pods getting generated. Similarly, we can also scale down if we want. So let's go back and click on scale and select a lower number of pods. Let's do 3, click on scale again. And if we go back to pods, we're going to see all of them getting terminated. If you'd like to use a YAML approach to scaling, you can go back to the deployments and click on edit on the deployment you want to change. Let's search for replicas in the spec, and in here, let's say we want 30, click on save. We see now the pods are getting rolled out in real time. And that's it for this one. See you the next time.